Gas is one of the three states of matter, and the three properties of gas for you to remember are: gases have no fixed shape, they have no fixed volume, and they fill all of their available space. So gases have no definite shape, and gas behaves very differently to solids and liquids because we cannot really see or touch gas in the same way that we can with solids and liquids. But there are gases around us all the time. The air we breathe in and the air we breathe out are both gases. That's oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now the particles in gas are very, very spaced out, so there's lots of room for these particles to move around. And this is why gases move so freely and why they expand to fill all of their available space. Some examples of gases are helium, which helps our balloons float, and carbon dioxide. So gases have no fixed weight, no fixed shape, and they fill all of their available space.